I've been using the Dave Cash Advance mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. Dave is a financial app that offers interest-free cash advances of up to $500, aiming to help users avoid overdraft fees and manage unexpected expenses. To qualify, users need to have at least 3 recurring bank account deposits totaling a minimum of $1,000 per month and maintain a 60-day banking history. One of the app's standout features is its lack of traditional credit checks, making it accessible to a broader audience. Additionally, Dave offers a checking account with a debit card, savings tools, and budgeting features to assist users in managing their finances. However, it's important to be aware of the associated fees. While the cash advances are interest-free, Dave charges a $1 monthly membership fee. For instant access to funds, an express fee of up to $25 may apply, depending on the advance amount. The app also suggests optional tips, which can add to the overall cost. On top of that, in November 2024, the Federal Trade Commission filed a lawsuit against Dave, alleging misleading advertisements regarding cash advance amounts and undisclosed fees. However, Dave has denied these allegations and is defending its practices. Overall, the Dave app can be a helpful tool for those needing short-term financial assistance without undergoing credit checks. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.